Wow, it's always such a nice view to be walking out on the balcony and looking at your environment. So yes, guys, today as you can see, I'm back on site today. And today my mission is to install some doorknobs, some entrance lock. So I decided to show you how I do it, and I hope you can learn something from it. But first, guys, I want you to like, comment, and share this video. Make sure you subscribe, press the post notification bell, and select all. Yeah, man, and let's get right into the video. So I'm going to show you the tools that you need to install a doorknob and how to install a doorknob. Yes, guys, so check us out. So now, guys, these are some of the basic tools you will need when you're installing a doorknob. You can use any preferred tool you need because they all do the same jobs and thing. And the other thing, guys, whenever you're buying tools, make sure you buy the right tools for the right job. Okay? Yes, man. So, as you can see, this is a brand new impact drill from Total Tools. And this is a electric drill from Total Tools as well. And you will need a screwdriver, a star point screwdriver. You will need a chisel. Yeah, I have a broader one. But I have many chisels, but I just put this one in so you can see some tools that you're going to need. You need a speed square. You need a utility knife to sharpen your pencil. You also need a doorknob. Well, we only put in on one on each door, even though I have two right here. And this is another impact drill from DeWalt. Yeah, man, so these are some of the basic tools you need. You will also need your pencil, even though I didn't have it right here. Yes, guys. And you will also need one more thing. You will need me. Okay, let's get into the video. Just kidding. So this is the door that I'm gonna install a doorknob on today. And I'm gonna show you when I'm installing this one as well. So I decided to show you guys how to install a doorknob. Oh, and one more thing I forget to show you guys that you will need. You will also need a tape measure. Yeah, man. So that is it. Yeah, the place is a bit dusty because I was cutting some boards inside this room. So I have some things all over, but I will definitely clean up the area after I finish work. And you will also need electricity as well. And I also forget to tell you about this piece of tool. We call it a lock holster. This is what I will use to bore out the hole to install the lock. And you also need this little guy right here as well. So I will show you. Yeah, when I bought the set, I only get this alone, and I didn't have any more to fit it, so I used this concrete bit inside of this little one because I don't want to be changing them every time. So let's get to work. So first you will need to take your measurement of the height that you're going to bring your lock to. Mine is 38 to the center. As you can see, I marked that and I square it around the door. And then I took 2 3/8 of an inch for the center, and then I bore that out. Then I catch the middle of the front right here, and as you can see, this is the other side after I finish boring that. So I will show you demonstration how I do that and things. So just watch me as I go along. So now guys, firstly, I already went ahead and bore out this big black hole inside this area. So what I'll definitely do now, I'm going to bore this side. Then I'm going to mark out the area that I'm going to install. This little guy here, the lock. And I'm going to chisel it out, screw it in, and then I'll show you how we connect these knobs. So now we have to hold the drill level. So like this is the area I'm gonna bore. So now guys, I already bore out the hole, but this is a problem normally face. So these little holes on the side, what they're here for now is so we can get a screw or some sharp object or something pointed, so I can just dig it out like this, so easy. Then I just hold it like this and pull it out. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut this little guy out of here. This is the entrance lock. I'm gonna install. So it comes with a key and the knob, and this is the lock. So firstly, before I go ahead and install the lock, what I'll definitely do is check how wide this is from the jamb. Just to check how wide the door is from the jamb. So this look like we don't have to dowel it in. So I will just this one, I will just bore out this one a little so the lock can sit inside and flush with the door. But the one on this side now, I will just place this one on the surface because I don't want it to be too far. Yes, now guys, so just a little 1/8 so I can fit this inside of it just like that now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in these screws inside of it. I'm gonna use these screws to hold it in place. Then I'm going to install the knob. I'm going to show you how simple that is. So I'm just going to use my screwdriver to check it in because I don't want to use the drill to over tighten it so the head will pop off. So so now, so this side will go inside the house, the room, and this side will go out. So now, as you can see, this always comes with a thing that shows you up. This side goes up and this side goes down. But this one doesn't have it. But as a professional, I do this all the time. So now I decided to show you guys. So what I'll do now, I'll insert this one in. And as you can see, I turn this information up. I turn this information up. I don't turn it down, so just in case. Just for instance, you might have a little water spill or maybe water in your hand and it happens to spill and go inside. It doesn't damage the information part right here. So I turn this side up. And what I'll do next, I'll put this side in. And then I'll definitely test it before I screw it. I'll test both sides before I screw it up. So what I'm doing now, guys, I'm just catching the screws so I can screw them in. Because when it's closed, I cannot see behind there. So I'll just use my fingers to screw it down as far as I can. Then I'll use the screwdrivers after to tighten it up. knocking out this is the guy right here. I didn't work all the way through. So I'm just testing it. Perfect, guys. So this is how you install the door now. Okay, got that. Now, I'll do the next one. So yes, guys, this is the other door that I'm gonna install the doorknob on. So as I was showing you, this illustration, I took 38 inches right here. That will be the height of my doorknob. And then I square it. I square it right around. Right around. I catch the center. Just measure the width of the door. Some doors may come inch and 5/8. Some may come inch and 13/16. Some may come 2 inches. So it all depends on the width of this area. And I just measure and catch the center. So this door that I have right here now, this is an inch and 3/8. This door is an inch and 3/8. So I will just measure and catch my center. Just double check with my tape. Ensure I have the correct. So what I'm doing, since I have this little black holster inside of this gel already, I don't want to take it out and then have to put it back in, so I just catch the center. This center, the same center that I took on the door, I took it right here from the edge of this door frame, going into the inside, so I will now pull out right here. I will now bore this section first. Not pouring it too far. I'll just catch my hammer and just knock it out like this. Then go ahead and install it. I left the hammer around there, so I will just use my little chisel. This out. I'm a pro at this, guys, so I know exactly what I'm doing. So I'm now gonna bore this hole. So I don't want to bore through this and it catch it all. So what I do, I just put a little cut right there so I don't go too far. Make sure this is center. I have to hold my hand level. I will just check around here to see. As you can see, I put a mark right here on the wall, and as you can see, I put a mark right here on the line. I'm not seeing it because this was right through the center, because I was holding my hand level with this mark around here, and this level line, as you can see, it's center with the middle of the bit. But I put a mark 2 3/8 around this side and it's gone. And I'm not seeing it now, so that means this is a well done job. So I don't want to bore this right through, so I'll just take it out and then bore it from the other side. Don't want to bore it through because I don't really want the piece of wood to stuck inside the lock bolster, even though it's easy to come out. So that's the reason I'm boring it from the other side. So again, I have to hold my hand level because I'm boring it from the other side, and I want to get a clean cut, make it look like one cut. So that, guys, yeah man. So I'm gonna take this guy out. And then insert this little guy right here. I'm going to bore this middle right here. So again, I have to just line it up, hold my hand level. This one bored too far. what I'm doing here now, guys, I'm just repeating the same process as I did on the front door around here, the front room door. So I'm just using my fingers to screw in this screw as far as I can. Then I'll use the screwdriver to finish the job. So I'll test it with the key. So I use the knob to lock it. So it can't open. So I'll just test it with the key now. And I use the key to lock it. See that, guys? Door well locked. With this door, you cannot just unlock like that when the window is closed, because this is a bathroom area. So it won't lock like that easy. You have to push it up like that easy. Yeah, man. Yes, my beautiful babes. So yeah, man, that is it. So if you want to see more beautiful contents like this one, me showing you guys how to do work, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the post notification bell and help us to put this video, this channel on top. Understand? Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, man, show our channel to the world. Yeah, man, I want you guys to help us push our contents out there to the world so more and more people can see what we have going on, what we are doing, and our wonderful works. Yeah, man, that is it, man. So yeah, man, if you want to see me guys showing you more contents, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I can see that many of you guys are watching the videos, but you are not subscribing and you're not pressing that like button and you're not commenting. It don't cost you $1, my people. Yeah, man, just support our channel, man, and help us to grow. And I can show you many more things when it comes on to building construction. Remember, BDR, we are not too far. Brian dreams to reality. Yeah, man, that's us. Remember, my peeps, BDR, we are not too far.